Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's great to have you here once again. How is everybody doing this morning? Welcome to all my guests who are joining me on our home of our channel here on YouTube. Also, welcome to all our guests over on TikTok, Rumble, and multiple websites around the world. Wonderful to have you here. It's a live trading day, of course. We're off and running. Thank you very much for joining me. Everything you see here is real. This is my real shares, my real positions. The home of my show is on YouTube. You're watching me on TikTok on my YouTube channel. Come and join me, and away we go. Let's bring up the important information that you need. Here on the bottom of the screen and below the video are all the links. We are broadcasting in 14 different languages. We have members in 38 countries here on YouTube, and we are live up to 10 hours a day. We're also giving away a fantastic $204 giveaway at the moment on YouTube. It's free to enter, free for all. Here to help people, here to support people live every day. Right, let's get into our positions. As you can see, we're red. So let's turn the studio red straight away. Unfortunately, we are red, so we have to go red here in the studio. All right, let's get straight into the chat. If anybody on TikTok is a subscriber, I will answer your questions. I can only answer questions from subscribers, as we get so many people come on in. I have to just reserve that to my members on YouTube and subscribers on TikTok. Okay, let's get straight into our positions. You can see 39,500 today. A little bit shy. It's gone down a bit. We look at our Roth IRA. That's also down today, and I am behind the S&P at the moment. The overall balance is 54.9. We've dropped below that 55. We're trying to get up to 60,000 as soon as possible, but we are losing a bit today. Let's go through our positions and see what we're losing. Here we go. Let's go straight into our accounts. Here we go. Mike, good morning. Mike was the first person here on YouTube. Good morning to you, Mike. How are you, Mike? I'm going to bring up my TikTok feed as well. So for those of you that are on TikTok, you can speak to me and ask me questions. I will see you come up on the screen, and I will share that as I get any comments from subscribers. I will answer all your questions. All right, let's bring up our first question. Investment, stock market and trading. John Brown, Nicola, going down. Yes, we've had some interest on should I cover Nicola. It's one of those videos I put out and waiting for the comments and to see whether we should cover it or not. So we're looking at doing that on Nicola. Thank you very much indeed, John Brown, for that. Let's go through all our positions this morning. Virgin Galactic is green at the moment. We are up very slightly. We are up. Palantir Technologies is also up, down today, 0.58. Another one of my big positions. Are you in that one? Leave me your thoughts below. Gold, we've got gold as well, is down today. The S&P 500, I'm starting to buy it back. I sold it on the way up at 17% profit. We're now buying it back on the way down. Amazon, we're holding our position. This is our AI investment. We like AI. Welcome everybody this morning. All of you on TikTok, you're watching me on YouTube. If you wish to join me on YouTube, it's Martyn Lucas Investor on YouTube. The link's in the profile just up here. Good morning, everyone, says Zed Hink. Good morning to you. Again, a huge thank you, Zach, Zed Hink, for joining us on Friday. Our weekly live YouTube video phone-in. It was absolutely great. You were a great guest. I invite you next week. I'd like you to be a regular member, a regular panel member, if you could. It was absolutely fantastic, as were all our members on Friday. So thank you very much for that. Let me just pop into our other channels now. We've got Rumble running here. Let me share that on the screen. Thank you to all of you. We've just got a couple people watching me there, and welcome to all of my Rumblers this morning, and of course not forgetting those who watch me regularly on Twitter as well. Let me bring up my Twitter account And you can see we're running live on Twitter as well. There you go. All right. Home of our show, of course, is here on YouTube, however. All right. Over on TikTok, good morning to all of you. The studio is red because, unfortunately, we are having a down day today. And finally, I just want to give a quick shout out to my Twitchers. I've got my audience who watch me on Twitch. Thank you very much indeed. All right, coming back to our stocks and all our questions now coming in on YouTube. Hello, says Niels. Good morning, everyone, says Zed Hink. Good morning, Nonny. Hands off me booty. For the love of God, Enphase, pull yourself together. Shall we have a quick look? Enphase, it is down again today, 0.16. I'm down 18.5% on this one now. I kept buying on the dip thinking at some point it's going to come to an end. But unfortunately, we've not seen that bottom yet. Very, very frustrating. Anyway, there you go. For the love of God, hands off me booty. Not this year, hands off. Well, we keep hoping. I think it's a great company, a great balance sheet. Just got to have patience, I guess. Welcome, everybody, on TikTok this morning. You're watching me on YouTube. This is my YouTube broadcast. If you want to come and join the main investors, do come and join me. All right, let's go for all our positions. Coca-Cola, as you can see, it's up 0.07. J&J is down 0.18. Kenvue, now we've got this split. The split from J&J is coming up in a couple of days' time, so we're going to split. Now, what I've opted to do is a 50% split. In other words, for every $100, I'm going to get $107 of Kenvue, tax-free. It's a good idea. I'm doing 50%. Now, you might say, if everybody does that, won't J&J shares go down? Remember, J&J own a position in Kenvue. So, no, I see Kenvue going up when a lot of people acquire shares in Kenvue, so that will benefit you. I also see a benefit in J&J going up because they will own Kenvue. And also, the belief is when a company like J&J split from its pharmaceutical side to its domestic products, it could be both areas could be more profitable for more focus. So actually, I think it's a good move. Anyway, we shall see. I guess we'll see on the 16th. I think it's the 16th is the day you have to do it by, which is 2 days from now. If you are a shareholder for J&J, you would have been sent that information. All right. Okay. Let me put on the screen my TikTok audience. We are back. Let me put on the screen my TikTok audience. Hang on, there we go. We're back on TikTok again now. We were off for a few days, but as you can see, we're back on again now. So people on TikTok, you're on the screen now. You'll see it in a few seconds. There's a slight delay from YouTube because you're watching me on my phone in real time. YouTube has a few seconds behind. There you go. That's what you're seeing on TikTok. I'm broadcasting you here. I will answer all questions from everybody watching me on TikTok, but I can only do it for subscribers. If you click the little star there, I can answer all your questions like I do with my members here on YouTube. All right, fantastic. We've managed to improve the sound today for those watching on TikTok. They've got a much, much better experience now. Took a while to get it right, but we do have it right now. Okay, back to our main accounts. Tesla is crippling me, says Buckaroony. Yes, I'm right with you. Here is my Tesla position. I'm down 14% on my main account, but on my Roth, I'm still up 18%. I believe in Tesla. I will buy more if it drops down to below the 18%. So if it goes down another 18%, I will buy more. But not for now. Money is a little bit tight now until I get paid on the next YouTube day, which is the 21st. But it won't make much difference, unfortunately, August the 21st. It's September the 21st when I can start increasing my investment. As you all know, I've been spending a lot of money investing in the studio with the new computer, so I haven't got any money yet to spend anyway, to put in. I'm only putting in $4 a week into my account, and I've started at $5,000. And as you can see, if I bring up my main account here to show everybody, I started with $5,000 2 years ago. I put $4 a week in, and I'm at $39,000 in my main account, $15,500 in my Roth IRA, and $54,900 total. That's my total balance from $5,000, $4 a week. That's all. No margin. All right. Hands off me booty says, haven't bought Tesla yet. I've been thinking of buying some. I think it's a good buy now. Absolutely. If I wasn't up so much on my, if I wasn't up so much, I would buy some, but there's no point. It's a balanced part of my portfolio. I would add more to my brokerage position because my brokerage position is down 14%. So I would like to lower my averages on my brokerage position. It's just that I can't afford it right now. I haven't got any money to do it, and I don't want to sell anything to do it either. So there you go. Let's go for more positions. Rivian is down 15%, starting to become a better buy. However, there is information that, Rivian could still go bankrupt. It still loses way too much money. A bit like Lucid, but not as bad as Lucid. McDonald's, Google. This is getting better. As you all know, I sold my position of Google at 50% up. It's now down to, it's now 45% up. So I could buy it back now at a 5% discount if I wanted to. But it's a good value stock. Unlike Microsoft, which is very expensive, that's also dropped. I was 50% up on it. I sold it all. I'm now 33% up. So you can see I could start to buy it back now. But it's a better buy is in Google, I think. Value, if you want to look at it that way. Now tonight we do have we have the Walmart earnings. I'm looking at Walmart right now, coming up on the 17th in 3 days' time. We are covering Walmart earnings. Willy Wonka just joined me. Good afternoon to you. Thank you for Paul Via. Thank you very much for the follow over there on TikTok. Thanks ever so much indeed. Welcome to all of you. If you become a subscriber to my channel, I will answer all your financial questions. I will prioritize you. Okay. Walmart, Tesco, Tilray Brands, still going down. I'm glad I sold at 13% up. Robinhood, holding my position. IonQ, it's up 3% today. Rocket Lab, down today, 0.32. Plug, down 0.77. I'm down 18% on this small position. Procter & Gamble, Rumble. Now, it is Rumble's earnings tonight. Rumble's earnings tonight. It's down 6%. I sold this one when I was up on it. It's now down, so if I wanted to buy it back, I could. However, I don't think Rumble is as cheap as it can be to buy back. I see better opportunities out there. Funware. Now, this is the earnings we are covering tonight. We decided to cover FFIE. After hours tonight, we are covering FFIE. So get ready for this one. We're going to cover this one tonight. Rio Tinto. Oh, and if you want the link for tonight, let me bring it on the screen. Here you go. Here is tonight's earnings. This is FFIE, Faraday. If you want to be the first person to leave a like and a hello, let me give you the link. I'll put it in the chat right now. We're also, remember folks, every day we're giving the opportunity to claim more free tickets to win our $204 cash prize here on YouTube. Every day we're giving away tickets to win a $204 cash prize here on YouTube. So don't forget that, right? Let me give you the link for FFIE earnings tonight. Let me give you that in the chat. Here we go. All right, and I'll pin it to the top as well, so it will stay there for you. All right, here we go. There you go. We'll pin that to the top. Okay. Right. Excellent. Let's have a quick sip of tea. Okay. Good morning, Zax8. Good morning, Zax8. Zach, I wanted to thank you ever so much for, and I just realized what I've done. Zed Hink, I was getting confused. Zax8, I want to thank you for appearing on our pilot video phone-in discussing stocks of the week and your interest in the following week. Thank you very much for being part of it. You were a great guest. I'd love to invite you every week to be a regular panel member. You were really, really great. You look good, sounding good, great information. I would love you to be on the show every Friday. Absolutely fantastic. So I hope you'll join me again for that. Absolutely brilliant. And we'll look back and see how the stocks progressed that you were interested in. So that'll be good. All right. Okay. Welcome all our guests on TikTok this morning. How are you? If you want to become a subscriber, click the little star that appears up here. Little star, see it just there? I can answer all your questions. I will keep you on the screen. Let's have a look. It's a gamble. Bill says all the investing. Well, it's certainly a level of gambling, I guess, but I don't see myself as a gambler at all. Long-term investing I don't think it's a gamble, but I understand where you're coming from. T.O. Roll, do you see certain specific sectors entering a bull market soon? We are in a bull market. We've been in a bull market now since November. That is a fact. 2 consecutive quarters of growth, you're up. We are in a bull market, and we have been. I've gained, I think, if I look at my portfolio, let me share with you what we've gained this year. We are definitely in a bull market. This is my year to date. Year to date, I've beaten the market, and I'm up 19% this year. That is absolutely 100% a bull market. We're having a downturn this week and last week, but we are in a bull market. No question about it. My portfolio is ahead of the stock market, ahead of the markets, and I'm very, very happy. So we are in a bull market. No question about it. There is my Roth, and there's the overall balance. We did reach 58,000, so we are a little bit off, I'm afraid, but nevertheless, we are we're doing better. Good morning, Zach. Rug pull, cryptocurrency whitelist is open on Zealy. Looks good. Rob, let's have a quick look at the crypto bubbles for you. All our favorite assets on crypto. Now, we are on a crypto challenge from Sensei. If you want full technical analysis from Sensei, you can get it. This is our position over here. You can see HBAR is up 15% today. That's the biggest gainer. Then behind that, you have FXS, which is at 6.1. Then Hex at 5.5. The biggest losers are XDC, which is down 3.5%. You can see how crypto moves a lot more than the stocks. But there we go. Our favorite position, of course, is XRP and Bitcoin. Also Polygon as well. For the use case, I buy it to be able to pay my gas fees on the Ethereum network. That's why I buy it. I'm just looking at, can never seem to find XRP when I'm looking for it. I don't know why it always eludes me. It's right there. Someone's going to go, you're looking right at it. I always am, but I never see it. Anyway. Yeah, Matic is down 0.2, which is our Polygon. I can't see it. Doesn't matter. Anyway, there it is. Friday it is for sure. Absolutely great. Zach, fantastic. Look forward to having you on. I was confused. Zed Hink. Yeah, Zed Hink. For some reason, I confused Zed Hink with Zach, and I was talking to I was talking to Zed Hink, and I was saying I thought you were Zach. So yeah, I'm sure you were confused. But don't worry, Martin. I'll join Friday. But I'm a newbie at this. Fantastic. Love you to join. It is members only, and you are a member. You need to be on Discord. Have you got upgraded on Discord yet? Let me give you the Discord link. You need to be upgraded on Discord. There you go. I'm sure you have. I just want to make sure. If anyone became a member recently that's not upgraded on Discord, this is our Discord channel. This is how you can call in, be on the show, be live on the show. And let me go into the breakfast bar and see what we have this morning. This is where we have our members come in every morning. Mike is always on this. He's got You're the Best trophy. There you go. And give him a thumbs up for that one. And yeah, so pop into the Welcome All channel if you're not upgraded, because you'll need to be upgraded if you wish to be on the video call on Friday. This is the Welcome All. When you come in via the Discord link, you will come in here. And this morning I see Yukam and George Otterty. If you need upgrading, let me know. I think these two members are already YouTube members. Yes, they are. And what about George? I know George is a YouTube member. Yes, he is. They're all upgraded. Fantastic. Niels, I see Niels in the chat this morning. Is Niels upgraded? Let me make sure he is. Yes, he is. Brilliant. There you go. So I'll leave that open in case anybody needs to get upgraded. All right, we've got just over half an hour to go before the bell goes. I can tell it's Rivian from very far. No car got headlights like Rivian. I know, we get regularly come down our street the Rivian Amazon truck. Love it. It's really great. The drivers love it. I did an interview on it. It's on my channel. If you look in the Rivian playlist, you will see the video I made inside a Rivian Amazon truck. Go and check it out. And how you find that on the homepage of the YouTube channel, all you've got to do is go to the top of the channel, see like right at the top here, look, and you'll see playlists, and you can look for Rivian. You can type all this in if you wanted to. You know, you could type it all in, but if you scroll down, you'll see Rivian. I'll do it in real time for you so you can see exactly what I mean. This is how you can find certain things on my channel, or you can just type them in. Martyn Lucas Investor, Rivian, and you will see it. But if you scroll down, I'm just trying to do it this way. This is the way you might do it. So this is how I'm going to show you. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Eventually, I'll come to Rivian. It's not in date. It's not in any particular order, I don't think. You just type it in is the easiest way, but I'm just doing it this way because I think this is what you'll do. Can't be many more. There you go. There's the Rivian playlist. And if I scroll down, there it is. There is the Rivian truck. Can you see it there? Look. So if you want to see me in a Rivian truck, now I found it, I'll give it to you. And this is actually me in a Rivian truck. I'll let you have a quick listen. Truck, absolutely fantastic. How exciting is this, guys? We've got shares in Rivian, we've got shares in Amazon, and here's a driver. What do you think of the truck, mate?
It's blast. Smooth, fast.
Yeah. No pollution.
Just great.
Free for the environment. Looks really, really cool. There we go, Rivian. So if you want to go and have a little check around that video, I'll give you the link. So this is me inside a Rivian truck. There you go. All right. And also I'm using another bit of electric equipment as well. So anyway, there's me doing my thing. If you want to go and check that out, you can. All right. We've got half an hour to go before the bell goes. Let's check some Bloomberg news. See what Bloomberg is saying this morning.
Most controversial thought of the day, maybe. Actually, probably not. The idea that commercial real estate's coming back because people are going back to the offices. and this idea that work from home is kind of losing luster in some places.
Let's just get a bit of update here.
I was stopped on the street, walking around the Manhattan streets. This happens to Lisa and John too. We get stopped all the time, and I was stopped by a major...
Tomo Bravo extends Ford Rock closing to four-star DOG suit, and top Fox executives dinner departing over Dominion settlement. And I'll just read one more headline before I go back to Bloomberg. The GM Ford face the heat as summer of strikes intensifies. Well, you want to go to England, everyone's on strike in England. It's an absolute flipping nightmare. What about Mexican trucker Traxion sinks after 253 million share sale? Let's have a quick listen in to Bloomberg just for a second.
Pack rats and self-storage is the way to go. I mean, Vet Bill's got 500 square feet over on the East River.
Yeah, what's he got?
You know,
treats,
winter
lots of
stuff,
treats.
Coats, treats. It's got the little green chewy treats.
Does he have little Crocs?
Thank you to our team today, particularly for that conversation with Michael Mayo. This is Bloomberg. Good morning.
Not that much information now, so we'll come back to that in a bit. Anyway, if I get any information from Bloomberg, I'll always bring it to you. I also use Sky News as a source as well to give me information. If I see anything that's of any use, I do like to bring it in. All right. Okay, good morning from Russia. Hey, you'll never get, Ravel. You'll never guess this. We've now got a member from Russia. Look, if you look on our flags, we now have a member from Russia. They were able to join from Russia. I don't know if they used a VPN or whatever it was, but they were able to join. We now have a member, our latest member, flying the flag for Russia. We now have 38 countries represented with half an hour to go before the bell goes. We're getting ready to ring the bell. Good morning. Rivians are beauties, said Niels. Excellent stuff. Welcome all our guests on TikTok this morning. How are you? If you tap the like, it will share to more people, like with two fingers. And if you become a subscriber, click the star button here. I will actually answer all your questions and bring you on the screen as well. It's one of the features that you get as a as a TikTok subscriber. Fantastic. Yes, if you look at the end, you'll see a flag from Russia come up. Thank you for watching us every day. Why don't you receive the packages in a suit? Why don't you receive the packages in a suit? Tio Roll, I've no idea what you mean by that. Why don't you receive the packages in a suit? Tio Roll, I'm sorry, I don't understand your question. Could you rephrase it? I'm not sure I understand what you mean by that. Anyway, Virgin Galactic today is down 0.31. Palantir is down 0.52. Gold is also down. S&P is down. I've been trimming it off the top. Got as high as 417. I'm starting to add now on the way up, though. Apple up. Just slightly down. It was up earlier. Next Era Energy. Now, this is the reason why this one is up is because we have Next Era Energy dividend, ex-dividend date, the end of the week. So people are buying back in now, which is good. I'm already in. I'm still 7% down. I could buy some more. It's still a good buy for me, but I'm fully allocated now. I wish Enphase would do the same thing. Ed Spitzer, wish I could stay longer today, but I'm starting back at my job this week. Ed, we wish you the very, very best. Well, before you go then, because we've got most of our family in, let's do one thing, and then I've got a bit of a surprise for you. All right? I've got a bit of a surprise. So first of all, let's put a minute on the clock. Here we go. Let's see if we can get 20 likes. We've got, in fact, 30 likes. We've got 37 watching on YouTube. 37 watching. Let's see if we can get 20 likes. And by tapping the like button, what it does is it shares to YouTube that you like the video, and it will tell YouTube to share it to more people, so we can grow. So always tap the like when you come on in. If you don't like my content, and that's absolutely fine, if it's not for you, tap the down like button, then you won't see my content anymore. We aim to be the most honest, real, live, highest quality YouTube TV channel on YouTube TV. I don't class myself as a YouTuber. The people on Sky and the BBC YouTubers, because they have a YouTube channel, no, they broadcast on YouTube. What's the difference between me and a YouTuber? Well, I've been an entertainer all my life as the world piano man, toured all over the world, and I built a TV studio, and I don't make content to sell videos. I go live all the time to build an audience. I'm entertaining an audience, and I want my studio to look the best, sound the best, and provide the best quality, not just sell headlines or drama to get you to watch a video. To me, that's not what I'm interested in. I'm interested in building an audience and hope to become the most honest, real channel on YouTube TV. Thank you guys for all tapping the like. 23 is pretty good out of 38. Fantastic. Thank you ever so much. Now, if you're wondering, does that mean everybody else tap the down like? No, it's not. Most people don't react. They don't do anything. They just sit there. I get 99% up likes. Very rarely get a down like. It's just because people don't react, which is a shame. Just the way it is. Right. Now, I did say that I got a bit of a surprise for you today. You know, this studio and audio now sounds a lot better. I've worked on it so it sounds like a radio sound on a TV type broadcast. You know, I've been working on that, right? Well, I've now got that in my music area of the studio as well. So it can sound like this live, edited and everything. Keaton S, he says, "Oh, Martyn, you are funny. You can say what you like, mate. You can say exactly what you like. I know exactly what I mean, and I stand by what I say." Yeah. And one day when we're millions of subscribers and my music channel takes off, you'll see you'll understand what I mean. Anyway, me and Keaton S don't agree on this point, but that's fine. It's my channel, right? That's right. So what we're going to do is I've got a new thing starting. First of all, you all know now about the Friday section. Every Friday at 9 a.m. Central, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we do the live video phone-in for members. That was really successful. If you've not yet seen it, have a quick look back and you can see what we did here. This was last week's. Let me just share it with you. You go to my video section and you look at the live phone-in. I can't believe it. It was really successful because I didn't. This just shows you, if you start building an audience rather than being a YouTuber, just selling YouTube titles, you can actually, people will watch without the title. This was called the Friday phone-in. Nothing searchable about that. This actually proves my point about not being a YouTuber. This was not a searchable thing. But what we've done here is we've built an audience that wanted to watch this. This was our live phone-in. And we had some really great guests. Really great guests. This is it here. 431 views in just 2 days, which is phenomenal for my channel, considering it was just called the Friday phone-in. And how that happened was, it wasn't done through search, YouTube search. It was done through browse, because the viewers now who watch my channel, I appear on the homepage of YouTube. They choose to watch not because they're searching for it, because they're part of the community. That's exactly what I'm trying to achieve. And there it is. So go and check this one out. And if you like it, then you might decide that you want to be part of it next week. Zach8 is going to be a regular. Mike's going to be a regular, and we hope our other guest will be a regular as well. They were all really good guests. Very good. Really chuffed. We could have about 10 people on a show. We can't have any more than that. It wouldn't work as well. Anyway. Do you have a piano tutorial channel? Well, this is the thing I'm going to tell you today. I'm so excited that you asked me about that, because now in the studio, for the very first time, I can go live at my piano and produce audio live as if it's a CD produced, recorded production. I can produce that sound live. So what I'm going to do today, in about an hour and a half, 2 hours after this opening bell, I'm going to go live on my music channel, and I'm going to show you how I produce, what equipment I use, break down my studio, and each day I'm going to do a song. So I'm going to tell you a bit about the song and how I'm going to produce it. Then I'm going to sing the song. And then a couple of hours later, that very song that I sang in that live broadcast is going to be uploaded as its own song. And you will see exactly how it sounded from live to produced will be the same. I will just make it into a song. But in the first part, in the live part, I will show you how I actually record it live for a production. So you're going to see exactly how I make my songs, what I do, and then a few hours later, you'll actually hear the song. And I'm really excited because I won't have to do any editing at all. It'll be exactly how it was live, and I will explain the equipment I use in the live and then produce the song, and you'll see what I'm doing in the studio. I think it will help a lot of people produce YouTube channels, music studios, and also enjoy the music as well in its own song. So that's a new feature I'm going to do after the opening bell here. All right, so I hope you'll all join me for that. I haven't set up the thumbnail yet, but I'll give you my channel. There is my channel. Now, if you click subscribe and ring the bell, when I go live in a couple of hours, you'll be notified. There it is. So even though I don't have the live video ready to stream yet, I haven't created it, you will see, you'll be notified as long as you do this. As long as you do this. You ready? I'm going to give you this information. Subscribe to my channel. You can just unsubscribe for a second just to make sure. All right. So click subscribe, ring the bell, set it to all. Turn your notifications on your device. You do the same thing for the investor channel, right? And that way you can see, look, see I've turned it on and off. All right. That way you'll be notified when I go live. You can see how I make the music, singing it live, recording it live, and then posting it as it is, as a song by itself. Of course, when the song goes out, I'll add some B-roll and make it interesting as well. So it'll be produced. All right. Pretty cool. And I believe what I've built now, it's taken me nearly 3 years now. I believe, and I hopefully you'll agree with me, that I have a sound in the studio which will sound as good as any edited, produced record, but done live and streamed live to prove that to you. And then you can learn how I do it too. All right. Okay. Good morning, family, says the Queen. 20 minutes to go before the bell goes. Weren't you getting a delivery in that video when you noticed weren't you getting a delivery? Oh, I see. Weren't you getting a delivery? Weren't you getting a delivery in that video? Yes, I was. The day that Rivian van came, I was getting a delivery. Yeah, best YouTube TV, live TV channel in the world. Thank you, Mike. Appreciate that, mate. Oh, Martin, you are funny. Mike single-handedly, and I won't forget this, Mike, because the music is my soul, right? Mike is single-handedly keeping my music channel going. I've struggled to get anyone to watch anything on my music channel because nothing is searchable like it is here on the Investor Channel. And Mike is keeping my channel alive by looping my videos and playing stuff around. Keaton says, mate, you wouldn't wear what you wear if you really believed this was television. You wouldn't wear what you wear if you really believe this was television, of course I would. Of course I would. I'm wearing a black suit with a tie. Of course I would. And yes, we disagree, but always friendly with respect. Yeah. I know exactly what I mean. I've worked with the BBC, ITV, and I know exactly where I'm going, what I'm trying to achieve. And the very definition of a YouTuber is creating YouTube content which is searchable to make money on the video, not to build a community. I am building a community foremost. And the lengths that I go to produce my audio and video is way beyond what the average, nearly all YouTubers do. Even the TV channels, to be fair. And I absolutely would wear what I'm wearing. Keaton, it's why, even though I'm sitting down and you can't see my legs, it's why I'm always wearing black trousers. Look, I'm always wearing black trousers. Even though that's very uncomfortable for me, I would much rather be wearing a pair of shorts and be relaxed and cool. I am wearing black trousers because that is the right thing for a TV studio. And if I move around in the studio, I want you to see me always in a black suit, not a pair of shorts, like I'm at home, like most YouTubers do. Anyway, do you have a piano tutorial channel? So yes, international art projects. You're going to see all of that now. Amaris stock. Thank you, John. Good morning and good luck. Get 'em. That will be great. Thank you, Mike. Thanks, Ed. Cheers, Mike. Very cool. Thank you very much indeed. What's the first rule of presenting TV, Martin? I've no idea. I'm sure you'll tell me though. Yes, and you should. Yes, and you shouldn't be. I shouldn't be in black. Okay. Anyone holding PayPal in here? Why is it up 2.5%? I don't agree with that. I've done loads of TV interviews in black, so I don't agree with that. Anyone holding PayPal in here? Why is it up 2.5%? I don't know. People in TV always wear underpants. Why is that then? What's that got to do with anything? Doesn't matter about the trousers. It's the shirt. That's the problem, mate. What? The fact I've got a black shirt on? Why is that? What's wrong with that? Tell me what's wrong with that. What's wrong with the shirt? It's washed and ironed every day, suited and booted. What's wrong with my shirt? I like black. It looks better. It also, there's another reason. There's another reason, Keaton S, why I wear black. Very specific reason. And I'll put this in my videos later. TV is dying. Terrestrial TV is dying. Streamed TV is growing. That's what YouTube TV is, Ed. And the reason why I wear black, and I will focus on the markets, it's just that we've got 15 minutes to go. The reason why I wear black specifically is because I'm running the studio on my own. I need all the cameras to be able to refocus, recalibrate, set their luminance and everything else, not resolution, I forget the word now, and be able to adapt quickly as all the lights change. Now, in a TV studio, you'd have 20 people working, all the lights, the cameras, adjusting everything. Mine has to be automatic. And if I wear light colors, it's a lot harder for the cameras to be able to constantly adjust with the extreme lighting that comes from behind me and all the effects that I have, which makes it virtually impossible to be on your own and do everything. So I do it all on my own automatically. They wear the shirt but no pants because it's not on camera. Yeah, I always feel that it's important to dress up properly. No blacks, no whites, no spots, no stripes. Literally the main rule for TV presenters. Yeah, that's fair enough. But TV presenters sit in a brightly lit studio without any atmosphere. I'm trying to create special effects, make it look dramatic. This is why this is looking like this. And when I sing with all the beams and the lights and the haze and the smoke, if you wore light colors, the cameras could not cope with that unless you had lots of people working the cameras, and I do it all on my own. So that's another reason why I do that. What would be the percentage of YouTubers making videos in underpants? Oh my gosh, 14 minutes to go. Virgin, let's get back onto the stocks. Oh gosh. Anyway, Virgin Galactic moving up. Palantir still going down. Do you think you'll have AI sidekicks soon? No. I said this. I made a statement about it that I would never use AI to do anything in my content. Of course, intelligence is in my computers, right? I mean, the computer itself is intelligent. It's doing stuff. But everything I do is me. It's live. I write my own text. I write my own emails. I reply to everybody personally. I'm not going to automate that. I know there are people who are sending out automated tweets every day. Like they've just got AI to write them tweets and every day it goes out automatically. I'm not doing that because the moment I just become a robot, you're not talking to me anymore. You know, you're listening to me, you're talking with me, I'm answering you, I'm replying to you, I'm writing it down manually. You know, I do copy and paste. If you say something and it requires thank you very much, I have thank you very much and I can copy and paste thank you very much. But actually, something I turned on yesterday, literally turned this on yesterday. Look, I'm going to use it for the very first time on my show. You ready? I'm in the live chat and I'm now turning on voice control. I'm going to reply to you with my voice. I'm going to test it for the very first time. You ready? So I press this button here. I've got a shortcut on my Stream Deck and I'm going to do it. But this is me speaking rather than typing because it's more productive, but it's still me, right? Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm leaving my very first... Hang on. That didn't go in there. Let's click that again. Okay, I'm writing my very first comment. Okay. Oh, it's not going in. For some reason, it's not going in. Okay, I'm writing my first... Okay. No. Maybe because I'm streaming, it won't let me do it. But yeah, I was just talking into the chat then, and it should have done that, but it didn't. That's a bit weird. I'll try it over here. Okay. No. Okay, I'm writing my... No, it's not going in. All right. Don't know why it's not going in. Maybe because I've got multiple windows open of the same thing. That's probably what it is. That's probably what it is. Anyway. Let's have a look. Yes, that's why black is fine for YouTubers. Touché. If I turned on all the lights, I would have a regular I've got all the soft boxes. I could make it like a TV studio. I don't want it to be. I want it to be more dramatic. Anyway. Marlon Brando never wore pants in his later movies. Is that right? Never wore underpants. Why is that then? Good morning, Martin. I'm still on vacation. I'll be back next Monday. Octavio, we look forward to seeing you back. Thank you very much for letting me. I love the fact that people pop in on their holidays and say why they're away. I love that. Where we at, Maximilian? Where we at? Well, I know you'll be interested in Virgin Galactic. We're up 0.31 with 10 minutes to go. Is space 2 X? Yeah, I'm not sure what that means. Write that again. Patience is the key. We will have flying cars in 2020 and 2023. We already have flying cars. You know, people always say that. We'll have flying cars. We already have flying cars. What do you think a helicopter is? We've had flying cars for years. It's like people think it's got to look more like a car to be a flying car. What is a flying car? It's a vehicle that can go above the ground and move along above the ground. Well, we've got that. It's called a helicopter. We've had them for years, and now we've got the drones, and now we've got those drone taxi things from Joby. We've got flying cars. We've had them for years. AI is getting back at you for what you said. It's not working. Yeah, I think the reason might be because I've tested it. It works. I think what it is I've got several when I'm broadcasting, I have 14 windows open, and it probably says if you're texting into YouTube chat, you can't do that if you've got it open 14 times, which is kind of makes sense, right? Need flying traffic lights. Yeah, we do. Brando argued with the directors about shooting his belly, so we refused to wear pants to force them to do headshots. Is that right? I don't know about that. Are you winding me up? A vehicle that drives and flies. Fair enough. Fair enough. You can't drive a helicopter. This is the sort of stuff you get on this show, right? He's right there, isn't he? Do you know what though? I think it would be easier to turn a helicopter into a car than a car into a helicopter. What do you reckon? Because helicopter, it can go up, right? It can go forward as well, just by spinning the blades a certain direction. If it had wheels on, you don't need to put wheels on it, and you could probably drive a helicopter along the ground, couldn't you? As long as you didn't put too much thrust up. I don't know, flipping heck. What do I know about flying helicopters? What mug is that? Nobody's mug. This is just the date. This is just the house mug. You're going to tell me off now, aren't you? Why haven't you got a branded mug on the show? Oh, yeah. Right. Anyway, we have got... in fact, no, I'm not going to tell anybody. That's a bit of a surprise. Sensei, want to do a couple of practice things in the next couple of days with you, if I can. Hi, guys. Good morning. Right. We're just about to get into the trades. We've got 7 minutes to go. So for those of you that wasn't here earlier, I've been working on this now for nearly 2 years. You now know that I've got the audio the way I want it here in the studio, right? I've now got it back on TikTok as well. So we're broadcasting radio sound and everything's great everywhere. I've now got it. So I am able to produce this sound live when I'm singing and playing the piano and live music the same. So later on today, at the end of this show, in about an hour's time when we end the opening bell, I'm going to get ready to go live in my music studio for a brand new series. And I'm going to show you how I can produce a CD quality recorded, produced song, one take, live, as it is, explaining you how I do it. So if you want to join me for that, please do pop into my music channel. I'm going to go live, explain one feature every day, the microphone, the cable, the processing, whatever, and then sing the song. And then a couple of hours later, release that song without doing any editing to it whatsoever. And you can tell because it will sound the same live as it is produced. All I will do is cut it down to make it just the song and maybe add some overlay to make it more interesting. And hopefully you'll watch the live, how I make the song, then the recording, and then I'll be back for the closing bell. So it's a little feature in the middle of the afternoon. I'm going to do it. Hopefully you'll all like it. And hopefully it'll be good. I want to buy a helicopter next bull run. Hey, Sensei, why don't you just buy a big drone? Drone's the same thing. Just hang from it. Just set yourself up a hanging device and then you'll be good. Randy B, good morning all. Hi, guys. Raphael, did you know there are more planes underwater than submarines in the sky. Well, that's kind of obvious, innit? Right? It's called gravity. When a submarine breaks, blows up, sinks, it never goes up into the sky, does it? No. When a plane crashes, where does it go? Gravity takes it down, up into the ocean, up down to the bottom. So for about 1 second, I thought that was funny. And then I realized, hang on a minute, it's inevitable, isn't it? It's called gravity, right? Anyway, that's a good one. I like that one. Right, 4 minutes to go. Palantir going down. My overall portfolio is going down. You'll be glad to know, though, that I'm just about beating the... Sensei, by the way, I'm back on TikTok today. We're back on TikTok now. We have the sound sorted out. So if you want to go over there and promote your services as my sponsor here on YouTube, you can. Only subscribers are able to comment, so I can answer everyone's questions, because before I was flooded with many people. So now this way I can answer everyone's questions. Anyway, this is it right now. Let me share with you on TikTok. There we go. So we're live there on TikTok. That's what it looks like. You can see we've got 3 subscribers. Sherpa just joined me. Thank you very much indeed. And I can answer everyone's questions that are members. Now you can see from my account that I'm actually just matching the market right now. Here we go. There you go. I'm in red. The market is in blue. 3 minutes to just coming up to 2 minutes to go. Let's read these comments. The Better Den, pay LTR to 35 by the end of 2024. If you've come across from TikTok or anywhere else here to YouTube, tell me, because we're giving away $204 in cash. It's a free giveaway for everyone. You don't need to be a member. You don't have to pay anything. It's free. I just like helping people. And Sensei Crypto sponsored it. If you are interested in that, I'll tell you all about it once the bell goes. But you can see the link there, martynlucas.com/giveaway. I'll give it you quickly if you want to be in our free giveaway. We do lots of giveaways on the show. We've got 1.5 minutes to go. I'm watching the time. Here, it's $204. It's gone up in price. Thank you, Mike, for sending me that information. This is the link. I've got a few seconds left to show you. There it is. It's free to enter. You can do one thing or as many as you like to increase your chances of winning. It's up to you. 774677. No one's entered today. Every day we have extra tickets we give away. Right, here we go. 1 minute to go. To ring the Sensei bell. Hey all. This is my first time trading with you all, ready to make some money this week. Come back from space. Indeed. Desara Miller, welcome to you. I'm predicting a red day. ASX in Australia was bad today. John Gosling passed away from the Kinks. Mike, thank you for letting me know. He was a keyboardist. Thank you for that. Good morning all, says Crag. Here we go, just 30 seconds to go. All right. 15 seconds to go. Let me end the timer. Let me get the Sensei bell up. Here we go. The studio is red at the moment. Is it going to stay red? Can we confirm when the next FOMC report is, please? Yes, I'll do that in a minute. 3, 2, 1. All right, the bell has now gone. Let's go into our positions and let's see exactly what's moving. Yes, the portfolio is dropping. The S&P is holding up, though. Let's see what stocks are moving. Virgin Galactic is taking a big dive, down 1.85. Palantir is down again today, 18% now. I'm down 1.56% today. Gold is still going down. The S&P is down, but come back up again. Amazon is down, but coming up. It's one of my strongest positions. I'm holding that for AI. Apple also overreacted a couple of weeks ago. I think it's strong. I'm up 5.6%. It is flat today. NEE, solar, going down again. I'm down 8%. It's down 0.23 today. Okay, Enphase Energy also down today. I'm down 19% now on Enphase. This could fall a long way. We had a huge growth on it last year. Coca-Cola is up 0.26. Defensives are up. J&J is up. That tells you a lot. That's why, my coffee's just arrived. Let me give Leah my tea. Thank you, Leah. How are you this morning? Lovely. Let me get my coffee here. J&J is moving up. Let me make an adjustment here in the studio. Go over here. Okay, just made a slight adjustment there in the studio. I'm back with you again now. There we go. Okay, here we go. J&J. Defensive. Kenview. Now, this would suit me if this kept going down, because for every $100 of J&J in 2 days' time, I get 107. It's a 7% discount. So actually, what we actually want is J&J to go up and up and up and up and up, and then get us Kenview at a great discount. That would be the plan. I don't know if it'll work out that way, but that's what I'm hoping. Chevron going down. Tesla going down again. 14.8% down. So you've all heard Elon Musk, the cage fight. Zuckerberg, it's off. We're not even going to talk about it. All right? Anyway, it is what it is. Rivian taking a heck of a drop today. McDonald's, defensive. Can't ever pay too much for land. Going up. I doubled my position a few weeks ago. Google, 45% down, up now. I sold it at 50%. Good. Microsoft going down. Walmart. We've got the earnings on the 17th. We're going to recover it live. If you want to be live at the earnings for Walmart, there it is. It's on the homepage on the upcoming live streams. Join us. Tonight we have Faraday, FFIE. If you want to join us for that, there is the link. It's in the chat. You can check that out if you want to join us for that one. Walmart, Tesco, Tilray. I'm so glad I got out of Tilray. We got some news here coming in. I will come back to the FOMC report for you, Bernard, in a second. Will gold go up or down? I've no idea. I only ever buy it on the way down. Is gold a good buy right now? Yes, gold is a good buy now at 176. I've made money on this one at this level. In fact, I've paid more and made a good profit. So gold at this level is good. Why is it off? Why is what off? I missed your comment. Breaking. Sam Bankman-Fried is heading to a Brooklyn jail, notorious for poor conditions. Good. He deserves to go to prison. Stole everybody's money. It was the best thing that ever happened to crypto, though. It got people to buy their ledgers, put their money on their wallets. Many people lost their ledgers, which means Bitcoin's got more likely to go up in the future. All right. Anyway. Oh, Sensei's over there on TikTok. Thank you, Sensei. We've got Sensei on TikTok, folks. If you're watching me on TikTok this morning and you would like to learn about our crypto challenge, Sensei takes care of all our crypto, our chart analysis for me and our channel. So we work on the channel together, and Sensei is in the chat. So if you want to get to know Sensei, you can. And you can be part of his services. All right, he's there in the chat with you on TikTok. All right, wonderful stuff. Thank you for the love you just sent as well, Sensei. Appreciate that very much indeed. It really helps support the TikTok channel. Just in, PayPal, Niels. Just named Intuit's Alexis Chris as its next CEO, CNBC. Thank you, Niels. As a YouTube member, you can access Discord. You can send those links into Discord, and then I can share them on the screen. So if you are a YouTube member and you've been upgraded, which I know you have, Go links for YouTube channel, and I can pull these things in and add them to the show. All right. S&P trying to recover. Amazon still going down. Apple just trimming off. NEE going down. Enphase still going down. Coca-Cola is soaring. And that's a lot for a dividends king. That's a lot. Up 0.39. It tells you a lot. Defensive going up. Kenvue going down. That's exactly what you want. If everyone buys into J&J, J&J goes up, and for every $100 of J&J, you get 107 of Kenvue. So what we actually want, the investors want, in the next couple of days, is J&J to go up and up and up, and Kenvue to go down and down and down. And it'd be a great outcome for us. How is PayPal stock looking? I can take a look if you are a member of my channel. And of course you are. I can take a look at a stock that you request and make a video on it as well. PayPal. Here we go. How is it looking right now? This is PayPal requested by Sensei. It's up 0.39 today. Let's have a sort of pan out of it. We had a nice rally in 2020. It got way overbought in 2021 and then came crashing all the way back down and has leveled out now. Is it a good buy at this level? I am not really interested in PayPal. If you want fintech, if you want money, for me, it's Robinhood. It's Robinhood. Even though Robinhood's a brokerage, I just buy Robinhood. I don't buy banks. I'm not interested in a bank. So for me, you got SoFi you could choose, the banks you could choose, PayPal. For me, it's Robinhood because you're a brokerage, you're partly bank, even though you're not. You've got fintech, credit card facilities coming online. That's the way to go, in my opinion. So I'm not a PayPal investor, but there it is. You can see how it's been coming down over the week, over the month. I mean, it's down 15% over the year, past 3 months. Down 3% over the year, 16%. Sorry, year to date. Over 1 year, 38%. Catch a falling knife comes to mind. But you might say, can it stable out at this level now? I mean, it's below that point. I mean, you could argue that. It's a brand, it's a name, it's been around forever. Is it a good buy? There's no dividend, remember. It's all about the growth. I don't know. There's PayPal. Thank you very much for bringing it to our attention. Good to hear, Sensei. Scam bankman will be someone's wife within 24 hours of arriving. Oh dear. Meta going down. Yes, I'm not in Meta anymore. I don't even give it any attention anymore. Desara Miller. Welcome to our family. Where are you from, by the way? We have lots of people here who can help you, talk to you. What you're seeing here is real trades, real positions. We've got chart analysis guys. We've got crypto people, fundamental. For me, I build relationships with people that work at the companies. I'm always studying the stocks from a fundamental relationship point of view. These are our members from around the world, 38 countries. Best short-term stock, Fibonacci Blue. Best, are you asking me what's the best short-term stock? I have no idea. What's the best short-term stock? Anyone got any ideas what that might be? I got to be honest, I wouldn't like to say. Young CEO with fire under his ass, really pleased with this, says Niels. Virgin Galactic at a new low of late. Indeed it is. Oh my God. 1313. Excuse my language. That really has gone down. Okay. That's not good. That's not good at all. I said the bottom was now 3. Let's hope I'm right. Delaware. Oh, Delaware in the house. Lovely to have you here. Delaware, the United States. Wonderful to have you here. I'm from Cornwall in England. My studio is here in Dallas, Texas. Welcome to you. Has everyone taken part in our $204 cash giveaway? There it is. It's free to enter, free for all. You don't need to be a member. There it is. Go and check every day. We give you free tickets, extra chances to win. And at the end of the competition, we'll give away live on the show $204 in cash. And the prize money keeps going up. Got a great audience watching today. Let's do a bit of maintenance. We've got a bit of a surprise coming up for you. Oh my God, it's still going down. All right, we're going to keep a close eye on Virgin Galactic for now. Have I got any Roth cash? I do have some Roth cash. So what I'm going to do, I've got some Roth cash. Now what I do with my Roth, I'm actually going up on my Roth. What I do is I've only got a small amount, hardly any at all. What we're going to do is we're going to trade, we're going to buy, we're going to set a limit order, and 315, because I want it to go through. Market hours today, number of shares, that'll be, there we go. It's only 9 shares, but nevertheless. All right. I've only got $30 left in my Roth. There we go. I've just bought 9 shares of Virgin Galactic at $3.13. These are designed in my Roth IRA as just no more than a scalp trade, just to make money. Remember, I can keep making money from money tax-free with my Roth. So I've just bought in my Roth IRA, I've got 10 now, only a very small amount. I haven't got any, I'm not going to sell anything to do this. I'm just buying some to trade out. That's all. If we get a 3 or 4% bounce, I will sell and just make a couple of bucks over and over again for free, tax-free, and that enables me to buy my long-term positions. All right. Right now, I'm fully invested. I haven't got any cash left. I'm all in. Right. This is my main brokerage position. My main brokerage position is in here. And I've got $3,600, which is $1,165. Now that's going down, but my Roth IRA, I just bought with the intention of just quickly flipping and making a couple of bucks. That's all. Keep doing that over and over again, and eventually can buy more long term. Let's have a look. Got some comments here. Rumble earnings tonight. Are you covering, Martin? I have 2 earnings to do. Either Rumble or FFIE. And we decided to do FFIE. Can't do both at the same time, I'm afraid. I wish I could. But I'm afraid tonight we're going to cover FFIE, Faraday, for the EV sector, not Rumble tonight. Sorry about that, Craig. I know you'd have loved to have seen that. Good move from PayPal, doing great things lately. Crypto, stablecoin, now new CEO. This will pay off. Delph, I wish you all the best for that. How did I know you live here in Dallas? How did I not know? There you go. I sell RVs. Brilliant. Do you sell RVs? If you do, we can promote your business for you. I'd love to do it. This channel is about helping people. Ask me how and I'll tell you all about it. Hopefully, Delph. Nicola Falls. Commodities are the best short-term stock. That's in the opinion of international art projects. Captain Kirk told us space was a final frontier. The stock price suggests that space is performing like the back office. I like that. Virgin Galactic is too annoying. It is. Sometimes tell me we are going much lower with space. Oh dear. Fret getting volume, says Ed Nevius. FRGT getting volume. No bother, mate. Sorry about that. Can't cover them all, can I? Right. Okay. PLTR. Now we're getting a rise on PLTR. Did you buy this morning? Gold. SNP. Amazon. Amazon's rising now. Apple rising. NEE still going down. Enphase trying to come back up again. Coca-Cola just leveling off. J&J. Virgin Galactic is trying to come up now. Kenvue. If Kenvue goes down and J&J goes up for the split, this is good news. Anyway, Chevron, Tesla, Rivian. Whoa. McDonald's, Google, starting to go up again now. Microsoft, Walmart. We've got the Walmart earnings on the 17th, 3 days' time. Tesco, Tilray. You glad I sold that now? Took all my money out of Tilray. Their direction, big mistake. Sold all of it, made a 13% profit, took flack for doing it. I said this is a very short-term bounce. Retail investors are going to buy it. It's a big mistake, and there it is. Is the market crashing? No, not really. If we get some context to it, let's go and look at my portfolio. It depends on your portfolio, of course. I mean, your portfolio is your portfolio. If I look at my account, this is what I'm looking at now, and you can see I'm in red. The S&P is in blue, so I'm just below 0.5% or more below the S&P. That's because I have high risk stocks in my portfolio, like Tesla, Virgin Galactic, and others. So I'm up more and I'm down more, depending on if it's an up or down day. But there you go. It's down 0.74 today. That's not an issue. If I look on the 3 months, I'm beating the market. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm just behind the market. Over 3 months, I'm up 7%. Year to date, I'm up 19%. So is the market crashing? Absolutely not. My Roth IRA, I started in November, and my all-time position on my Roth IRA, let's have a look at it. This is my actual shares, my actual position. We're actually up 6.4%, started in November. So no, the market is not crashing. We're having a down day. That's all part of it. That's why I started selling the S&P. And I did. I made a good profit this year. As you can see, 19%. Correcting, not crashing. Ben, absolutely correct. John Brown says, Zanerba Pharmacy, 288% gain. Very difficult to make money in pharmacy stocks. You have to pick the right one. Very difficult. I prefer not to be in those stocks. I prefer to have, if I was going to buy a bunch of pharmaceutical positions, I would buy a ETF that covers a number of them to give myself more diverse portfolio, or I just own J&J and Procter & Gamble, which is what I do. How did you get the two lines like that on Robinhood? That's because I have turned on, I will show you what I've done. Good question. If I go to my main account, you click the little see the little cogs at the end? The little cogs, and I set up different positions. I've set up VU, gold, and Bitcoin, and then I just turn one on. I can turn all three on. I can have as many lines as I want. I can look really posh. You'll go, oh my God, this guy is amazing. How does he look like that? Look at that. How does he have that on Robinhood? Is this guy a legend or what? I just like to compare to the S&P because that's what fund managers compare themselves to. So I do the same thing. About to make a change soon, and I'll be coming to you for promotion, Martin. You are very welcome. I have a great deal at the minute. Absolutely ridiculously good. Remember, everything I do isn't about making me money. It's about helping you. And I believe that's why we're growing. Oh, should we have a quick look at the subscribers? This is why we're growing. This is why 95% of you are live viewers are members, right? Subscribers in 3, 2, 1, 10,206. Oh, it didn't move. I hate when it doesn't move. Anyway, 10,206. We were 10,000 just 8 days ago. So you can see. No, what we're doing right now, we're doing a giveaway. We're giving away $204 for free for anyone to enter. And what we're doing, we're giving our members the opportunity to promote their businesses or anything else. What we're doing is this. If you do a $10 super chat, you will get your name on the competition. Okay. There you go. Stephen Rowe. He gave a $10 super chat. His name to support the competition is there. If you do a $20 or more super chat, I will put you as a sponsor with a link. And Zachzate decided he wanted people to click on his Instagram. And because he gave me $20, it's worth one ticket. So when you click on Professional Builders, one of our members, Zachzate, you go and follow his Twitter. It earns you one ticket, so people want to do it, right? They learn about his business. He paid $20. Now, the $20 that I get, I have to pay tax on it. I have to pay YouTube fees. I don't get anywhere near the $20, but I do all the work promoting your business, put it on the competition, tell everybody about it every day. On top of that, I put $4 back into the prize pot. That's why it's now $204. So you can sponsor the channel like Sensei does and get full coverage and full sponsorship everywhere. Or you can sponsor the bell for $10 a day. Or for $20, you can sponsor our competition right now. And I will promote you for the next 25 days that this runs. And over the next 25 days, hundreds of thousands of people will see it because it's in every single video between now and then. Every video will link to the competition between now and then. I'm on all the different platforms, all the live shows for the next 25 days. It will get hundreds of thousands of views for $20. It's worth a lot more than that, but I'm trying to do stuff for our members all the time, providing best quality content and the best deals for my members. I reckon today is the day Virgin hits $3, says Buckaroony. It's 312. Now, you saw what I did a few moments ago. I just bought, which I hope is the bottom of Virgin Galactic. Today, I just bought a very small position and at, what was it, 312, I think it was, or thereabouts. And only a very small on my Roth position, just to make $5-10, just something like that. That's the idea. Let's see if I can do it. It's going to be a bad day. I said before the bell rang, ASX was down. Uranium stocks were the only stocks in my portfolio that went up today. International Art Projects, thank you. Delph, AMC is crashing. The reason why that is, I announced it before this morning. Did you all see it? Did you all see what I put on Twitter this morning? I hope everyone saw this. I told you before ahead of time. Some of you did. 3 of you liked it. On my Twitter account, I post the trades before I make them. I tell the world what I'm doing and what's going on. Before the markets open, I've got 24-hour trading on Robinhood. I'm studying the markets all the time. I'm on the news all the time. And AMC Holdings receives a consensus rating of strong sell. And I put that this morning, 2 hours ago, I put that there to announce that AMC was going down. There it is. If you've not yet followed me on Twitter, it's one of the things you can do to win $204. It's one of the things that you can do to win the cash prize. Here is my Twitter, but I strongly suggest you do it through the competition because that way you follow me on Twitter, but you can win $204 for doing it. So strongly recommend you do it that way. So I'm not surprised it's crashing. AMC is crashing. Hi all, says the Queen. Hi Crag. I will do it too. Isn't AMC a meme stock? It is. If it makes anyone feel better, my portfolio had been down every day for 8 days now. Today's looking no different. I don't have Twitter anywhere else. Anywhere else I can see it. I also post it on my YouTube channel for the members. I also post it in Discord for the members. I also post it on the Facebook page. That's open to everybody. So that's the ways I do it. Great. I'm making money on Virgin Galactic. Or at least, hopefully I will. There you go. 0.25. Let's see what happens. My main position is here. My long-term position at $3,600. I only had $30 this morning to buy Virgin Galactic on that drop, which is what I did. And I'm hoping now just to trade that out. Make $5-10. That's all. Get a couple of free shares. That's all. Let's see what we can do. Why don't you just get Twitter just for me? Desara Miller? Why not just get Twitter, or X as it's called now, just for me? It's a great place for me to share my stuff. It's searchable. It's a really good, useful tool. All right. Okay. It's a tough day today, isn't it? Tough day. The markets are a bit down, no question about it. Let's do a bit of housework. What's your position on Hood? I'm holding, haven't sold a single share on Robinhood. I'm up 13% on my brokerage position, and I am up 20% on my Roth position. If it goes down, I'll buy more. I'm certainly not selling it. Absolutely not selling it. I like it. I like what the business are doing. They're profitable. They're not just a brokerage. They're fintech. They are in the banking sector, even though they're not a bank. They give you a better deal than any bank does. I use it as a bank. I actually use Robinhood as a bank. And the credit card that's going to come out is going to earn the money. Everything about Robinhood is perfect for me. So if it goes down, I just buy more. Not now, though. I've got no more money until September 21st. Unfortunately, that's just the way it is. Until I get paid on YouTube in September. The August money was spent, unfortunately. But I've made some more investments in this studio to make it sound the way it sounds. And what you're about to hear this afternoon on my music channel as well. So I haven't got any more money to buy anymore. AMC scalp opportunity maybe. If only I could show. If only I could have shown to give chart perspective of all the markets. Sensei, would you repeat that? I'm not quite sure what you said then. 17% down in the last 30 days. George, it doesn't have to be this way. Let me look. There's my position. I am up 19% year to date. We are in a bull market. There's no reason to be down. I am up 19% this year. I've trimmed off the top. I've sold nearly all my S&P at 17% profit. The majority of that profit came from the S&P. I've now sold the majority of it, and I'm buying it back down as it goes back down again. I sold my Virgin Galactic at the top, took the profit, started to buy it back lower, and I'm doing some scalp trade positions as well to add to it. Space going to all-time low today if it drops below $3. Yes, indeed. I'm holding my long-term position. I'm scalp trading. Very small amount of money. I only had $30 left, and I just put it in there to buy this morning to see if I can make $5-10. I think my comment makes sense. Don't worry. Okay, so I'll read it again, Sensei. I'll read it again. AMC scalp opportunity, maybe. If only I could have my own show to give chart perspective of the markets. Yeah, got you. Sorry, it does make sense. I didn't put the full stop in there. Yes, it does make sense. And yeah, earlier on I said we're going to do a couple of tests today, or in the next couple of days, Sensei, all right? Anyway. Virgin Galactic. Will I be able to make some money in a minute? A very small tax-free scalp trade. Palantir's gone back up. Gold, the S&P, Amazon. Right, it's 9 o'clock. We're coming up to the end of the show. So what I need to do is make a couple of videos and then I'll invite you to a brand new thing I'm doing on my music channel. For those of you that are interested in sound, production, music, and you just support me, I've got something today I've been working on for 2.5 years, and I finally got it the way I want it. And I'm really excited to show it to you. What I'm going to do is, after the opening bell, I'm going to do a live broadcast on my music channel. Live streaming it as it comes out, right? If you've not yet subscribed to my music channel, I can't give you the link to the event because I haven't posted it yet. Just go to my music channel, subscribe to it, make sure you've rung the bell and notified, and look out for the upcoming live stream in the next hour or so. I'm going to go live, and every day I'm going to tell you about a piece of equipment in my studio. I am now able, for the very first time, and I'm pretty excited that very few people on earth can do this. I'm really actually quite excited to announce this. That as of today, and it's going to get better as well, and I'll tell you about that in the video. As of today, I'm able to make it sound produced and everything live as it comes out, like this sounds live now, you know, that nice radio sound in my music. And each day I'm going to tell you about a piece of equipment that I use. Then I'm going to sing the song. And then a couple of hours later, that song will be released as its own song. And you'll hear the song itself won't sound hardly any different than the live, but you'll know how I made it. And I'll add some B-roll just to make it look good. And hopefully you'll enjoy that. And then we'll come back for the closing bell. So it's a new feature. I'm going to try it today. I also want to thank those of you that joined our other new feature on this show, on this channel, on the Friday phone-in. That was great. So I really do enjoy that. I'm just saying I'm down 10% on Hood. Okay, George. Okay. Sensei, I did come on the show 2 weeks ago, if anyone was watching, where I made clear stocks are risky now and I would be selling if I had any, which is exactly what I've been doing, selling the S&P. Depending on what stocks you own, you could have saved 3 to 40%. Bloody hell. Having said that, I just bought some AMC. However, anyway, there you go. Right. So let's make a couple of videos, give everyone the link for the giveaway. Here is the $204 giveaway. If you want to sponsor it and add to it and also promote your business or get more subscribers or whatever it is you want at the same time, you can do that. Here's the giveaway. Go and have a little look. Every day we release more tickets. 7746. It's now 7747. That means someone has gone and claimed their daily ticket. Fantastic. All right. Let's make a couple of videos now during the live show. And just before we do that, let's do a bit of housework. Let's see. Let's put on the funky music. Here it is. Here's the funky music. Smash the like. Let's see if we can get 40 likes. We've got 59 watching right now. Let's see if we can get 40 likes. Now, if you smash the like button, there it is. If you smash the like button, what that does, it tells YouTube you like the content. It will show you again next time when I go live. It'll also share it to more people so they get to learn about our channel. So please do tap the like button. If, however, you don't like my content, please do click the down like button. Then you won't see my content anymore. And that way, you won't be annoyed by me every day when I go live. So it helps you and it helps me to do something. 99% of people like the video. The ones that don't do anything, don't do anything. And I wish people would all get involved, but unfortunately not everybody gets involved. I don't mind if you click the down like, I really don't. I'm just trying to build the best community. So there we go. 38 now. We've got 57 watching. Just there, look. Can we get to 40? I'll be delighted with that. And then we'll make a couple of videos about today's stocks. Then we'll end the stream. We'll do Day Trader of the Day. You've got a chance then to enter our giveaway. And then 40, we've done it. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much. Thank you guys for doing that. Appreciate it. Right, let's make a couple of videos then. And then I'm going to do my new feature on my music channel. How to record, stream live in the studio and make it sound like a CD live. Hopefully, people will agree with me. Some people might go, it sounds rubbish. That'd be good, wouldn't it? Anyway, let's have a quick look. There's a couple of things I want to cover this morning. Okay. Let's get the time. Get ready for Day Trader of the Day. That's coming up straight after this, 1:35. It's the FFIE earnings tonight, by the way. 1:35 markets. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Are the markets crashing? Many people are asking that question right now. Well, let's cover that on this short video. If you wait till the end of the video, I'm also going to give you the opportunity to win $204 in cash, free to enter, free for all. I'll tell you all about that later on in the video. This is a short video, so stick with me and I'll give you the chance to win that money. As you can see, overall, this year today, I'm up 19.52%. And in fact, I'm beating the market. Despite that, if we look at the markets today, we can actually see that the markets are down, not looking particularly good. So what I've been doing over the last year, as I've been up, I've been starting to trim all the way up, trimming off the S&P, which was a big part of my portfolio. At one point, it was 40% of my portfolio. Now it's around about the 6% mark, and I can share that with you. And what I'm doing with it. So if we look back on the S&P, this is my S&P, and you can see now, there you go, it's 6.36% of my portfolio. It was around about 40% at the beginning of the year. The bull market started in the beginning of the year, no question about that, no doubt about that whatsoever. So I've been trimming off along the journey, taking profits along the way, and now what I'm doing is as the markets start to fall, I am looking to buy back in again and add to my positions. Now, the S&P is, again, for me, something I want to get back up to 40% because it gives structure to my portfolio, stability to my portfolio. I reinvest the dividends, not automatically. I do them whenever the markets drop. In the meantime, I hold the money in cash. And I hold it in cash for good reason. Here on Robinhood, you can earn 4.9%, and that's more likely to go up to 5.2% on the next FOMC report, which we will cover live on our show in a few weeks' time. So if the markets keep dropping, as I get available funds, I will continue to buy the S&P. Every few percent, not every 0.1%. Otherwise, you run out of money and all you're doing is catching a falling knife. Just give yourself some time and let it drop considerably and keep buying the dips. If the market, however, is going sideways or going up, I am leaving my money in cash. I think we've had a big enough run this year on the S&P. I don't see it going much more. I think you're going to make more money in just holding your cash, sitting it out and waiting. Now, that doesn't mean to say I sell everything else out. I've got a very strong portfolio. This portfolio started with $5,000. I only put $4 a week in. And as you can see, my overall positions, if I just bring it all to you, I've got 15 grand in my Roth. And my overall, I'm 54.8. Now, we were at 58,000 just a few weeks ago. We have dropped a bit. But of course, the bigger your portfolio gets, the more dramatic the drops seem. I mean, Warren Buffett will lose millions of dollars in a day, and he'll go up millions of dollars in a day. It's just the way it is. The bigger it gets, the more you notice the movement. But overall, I've had a good year. That doesn't mean to say I think it's going to run forever. That's why I've been trimming off. Now, I've trimmed enough now. I've taken enough money out of the S&P. But what am I leaving in? It's important to say, well, if you're selling, what are you leaving in? Well, with the money that I sold, I bought Virgin Galactic. You do need some volatile stocks, speculative stocks, if you are of a certain age where you need your portfolio to grow over time. If you're much older and you've got plenty of money, you don't need this risk. You put your money in dividend-paying stocks and you're done. But for me, I've grown from 5 to 55,000. I need to get up to $200,000 to give me the position and the target I want to achieve. I need some high-risk stocks. So that's what I did with my money. I bought this, and today I bought some on a scalp trade. This is my main position here. I've got nearly 3.5 grand. But today it went down low, and I only had $30 left in my Roth. So I just bought a handful of shares, literally a handful of shares, and plan on making $5-10 today on a quick scalp trade for free using my Roth IRA. If you trade on your Roth IRA, it's free. PLTR has gone down. I've been buying with the S&P money. Gold, I'm going to buy some more there soon. The S&P is just, I sold at 417 and started trimming way down. Amazon, I'm not selling. I'm holding my position because it's AI. I think that's a long way to run. Apple, I think, also has a long way to run. I added to this position with my profits from the S&P. I also bought and quadrupled my position in Next Era Energy. Enphase, I also bought this, and I doubled my position on this one. Coca-Cola, we can see, in J&J, I also increased my position on these stocks, as I did with McDonald's as well. These are the defensive stocks that protect and support my portfolio and pay me a reasonable dividend. So is the market crashing today? No, it's correcting, and there are opportunities today to make money from this. Now, I did say if you watched to the end, I would give the opportunity to win $204. If you click above my head, I have got a series of videos I do every day, how I produce this studio, this sound, and I go into my music studio behind me and I do a live broadcast, and you can go and check that out, and I tell you how I produce the sound, how I make the videos, and then I sing a song, and then later on in the day, that song gets released on my music channel. You might want to check that out. If you want to be in our free giveaway, click above my head. It was sponsored by Sensei Crypto, as you can see across the bottom of the screen now. $204 giveaway. It's running right now. It's free to enter, free for all. So click above there for that. And for more videos I think you might enjoy, click over here and down here, and that will take you to the videos. One of these will be the playlist for my live music broadcast, and you can see how I produce this sound, these cameras, these lights, and so on. You may be interested in that, what goes on behind the scenes. There you go. As always, take care of yourself, your money, your crypto, and most importantly, take care of each other. All right, there's that one. Martin, do you think it was right to buy PLT just based on the earnings presentation? No, I didn't buy it on the presentation. I bought it on the demonstration of the professionalism of the company and also where I see the company going. So that's why I bought Palantir, not just because they did a good presentation. It was what's behind the presentation. We got 100/25. I'm not sure I understand that one. Please, what's your take on Rocket Labs, Martin? I bought Rocket Labs. I like it. Today is August the 14th. Today is August the 14th. You're absolutely correct. On Robinhood, FFIE shows the earnings on August the 25th. Let's have a look. You are correct. That's changed. It was supposed to be today. You're absolutely right. Flutter Edits, thank you very much indeed. You're absolutely right, which means we will be doing then the Rumble earnings. The Rumble earnings tonight then. Let me change that. August 25th. Let me cut that out. You're absolutely right. That means we can cover Rumble earnings. Let me just delete that stream then. Thank you for letting me know. Yes, let me have a look at it. I'm going to edit it right now. Let's see if I can. Faraday is August 25th after hours. August 25th after hours. Okay, I've amended Faraday for August 25th. Now then, if we look on the homepage, hopefully it's gone from there. If I refresh it and moved to the 25th. Looks like it has. Upcoming live streams. Upcoming live streams. And we should see Faraday appear. There it is. There is the upcoming live stream on August 25th. So what we'll do is we'll do the Rivian earn. We'll do the. We will. Thanks for letting me know. They've changed that. Let me do the Rumble earnings tonight then. Okay, we'll do the Rumble earnings instead. Let me get through the comments. Do you think Nvidia will stop? Will drop back down? Nvidia got overbought. It's not one for me. Sensei could give you a better information on that. Yes, I'm going to do Rumble. Am I going to ask Chris Pavlovsky any questions? I could do. I talked to him on Twitter, wondering where space is going. Space down even more. Is it now the buy zone Sensei talked about? Yeah, no problem. Thank you very much indeed. So let me now, I will do Rumble tonight. So I will do a Rumble video now. Okay, here we go. Right, 147. 147 rum. Okay, here we go. Let's do a video here. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Rumble, ticker symbol RUM, earnings tonight. We're going to cover it live. I'll give you the link for that in a minute. If you watch to the end of the video, it's a very short video. I'm going to give you the chance to win $204 in cash. And that prize keeps going up, by the way. It started out at 200 bucks, free to enter, free for all. Watch to the end and I'll tell you how you can do it. Okay, so Rumble, we are going to cover the earnings tonight. Let's have a quick look at the stock first of all. I made profit on this stock. I'm out of the stock. I'm actually streaming on Rumble right now. And if I share with you my actual Rumble broadcast, this is me on Rumble right now broadcasting. It's been very, very good for me. I'm growing a good audience on there. I only started a couple of months ago. I've got 333 people already following me, which is pretty good considering I've only been there a couple of months. We've been nearly two and a half years here on YouTube. But of course, how does Rumble make money? That is still hard to quantify. We're still learning. We learned a bit last time from the earnings. We're going to learn some more this time. This is the overall position of Rumble. Now, you might notice a little pattern. It tends to go, you could draw pretty much a line straight through the center of this over the last year at least, pretty much an average line. So I try to buy it on the bottoms of these positions and sell them on the top. For me, it's not a long-term position right now. I don't see it yet as a long-term position, so I trade it. So last time I bought this, I actually bought it too high. I paid for it at the top. It was the first time I entered it. I paid too high, and I don't remember, but I think I sold it for a profit, a small profit. It might even have been a break even, actually, because I decided it was going low. I think that's what happened. I think I may have sold it for a wash, or maybe even a couple of bucks under, just to get out, because I paid too much for it. Is it a buy now? Well, you can see my average price, because I'm down to the one market share, because I've sold it, is $8.79. We're at $8.07. This is a good time. This is a good time to buy it again. I'm not buying it because I've got money elsewhere. But however, this is a good time to buy Rumble. No question about that. It's been going sideways now since July 21st. So nearly a month now. It's been going pretty much sideways, preparing for its earnings. And if you can see it over the year, it's pretty much along this center line here. So you buy it here, you sell it here, if that's what you're looking to do. It's not a long-term investment for me. Anyway, I did say if you watch to the end, I would give you the chance to join us for the Rumble earnings and win some money. So here we go. If you click above my head right here, that'll take you to how these videos are all produced. If you're into YouTube and you want to know about sound and stuff like that, I have a music channel where I show you how I produce these videos, how I record, and I do a song on this playlist, and then later on in the day, the song gets released and you can see how I've done it. So if you're interested in that, that'll take you to my playlist for those videos. If you want to win or be in a competition to win $204, click up here. It's free to enter. I'm sure the prize will go up as well in time. Click above my head. That'll take you to there. If you want to join us for the Rumble earnings, that'll also be above my head, and I'll put the Rumble earnings video here and other videos I think that you might like down here as well. There you go. As always, join us tonight for the Rumble earnings. Take care of yourself, your money, your crypto. Most importantly, take care of each other. All right. Okay. Rumble. Now then, we've got a chance to do one more video, and I want to do Virgin Galactic. $152. 152 SPCE. Okay, Virgin Galactic, here we go. Let's go back over to our main position. All right. Virgin Galactic, what's happening today? Well, over last week, I said with what we've learned from the earnings and the flight, I think $3 potentially is the bottom for this stock. And we nearly touched it this morning. So what did I do? When it went down, I didn't add any more because, quite frankly, I haven't got any more money to buy. I could sell lots of things to buy more, but that would unbalance my portfolio and be irresponsible. So I didn't do that. I've got a big position here in my main account. It's, if we look here, I've got 1,165 shares, I think it is. Is that right? Yes. $3,691. That's enough for now in my current financial overall position. It plays 9.35% of my portfolio. But what I did do is I recognized the bottom this morning, and I bought around about here with literally just a couple of bucks. I mean, literally $30. All I had in my Roth IRA this morning was 30 odd bucks. So I bought some this morning, very, very small amount, with the very intention of just continually making some profit, tax-free, pay no tax on it, getting a little tip, if you like. Now, at the moment, I'm up 10 cents. That's all. It's tax-free. I can sell it right now for 10 cents. Hey, every profit is a profit, right? Tax-free. I hope we can get this up today to around about the break-even point up the top here of at least where we started. And if we can get up there, I will make myself a couple of free shares of Virgin Galactic. Hey, it's free. Constantly making some profits along the way. To do that, you have to do that in your Roth IRA, though. There's absolutely no point doing that in your brokerage position, because if you do it in your brokerage position, remember the first in, first out rule. You'll be selling the stocks that you paid more for and losing on them. So you don't want to be doing that. The scalp trade position, not only in your Roth IRA, is there so you can trade tax-free and pay no tax, it's also, more importantly, so you're selling the shares that have actually made profit. If I bought these shares this morning on my brokerage position and sold them thinking, oh, I'm making a couple of bucks profit, which is great, right? First of all, I'm paying tax on it. Second of all, I'm not actually selling those stocks. I'm selling stocks that I paid more for, so I'm losing on them. And you don't want to be doing that, because eventually you end up just keep adding more and more and more of a stock that's losing money, paying tax on it, losing on every trade, and you end up very quickly overbalancing your portfolio and you're all in on a very risky stock, and that's not the place you want to be. So I'm not doing that. I bought it on my Roth with every intention of just selling a few bucks, making a few bucks, but most importantly, selling the right shares at the right time. So that's what I'm doing there. And then, of course, I've got a bit more money to buy some more long-term positions if I feel that's the right thing to do at that time. So Virgin Galactic is down today. I think it's overreacting. The markets are down. So, of course, high speculative stocks are down more. That's just the way things go. That's what the market does all the time. It overreacts on the way up and it overreacts on the way down. Now, I did say if you watch to the end of this video, I'm giving you the chance to win some free money. There's a couple of things I can give you right now. First of all, if you click above my head, if you want to know how I make these videos with the sound, the production, every day on my music channel, I am now doing a series that starts today after this opening bell show, where I go live every day, tell you about a piece of equipment in the studio, how I produce the sound, the visuals, so you can learn how to build a YouTube channel, how I promote myself. And then I sing a live song, one take live, and then later on in the day it gets produced. So click above my head for that and you can see how I do that. If you want to win or be in the competition to win $204, click above my head. It will take you to that link as well. And it's free to enter and free for all. And also above my head is anything else Virgin Galactic related. Over here, you might see that video about behind the scenes with my music, and down here more content I think you would like related to Virgin Galactic. As always, take care of your money, your crypto, yourselves, and most importantly, take care of each other. Bye bye for now. All right. Okay. Well, congratulations. I would have if I sold now. I haven't yet sold. I don't intend to sell yet. But anyway. But is there any future for space? Well, it's a very risky play. I have to ask myself, with the amount that I've got invested, if it went to zero, would my portfolio be damaged? Well, obviously, I'd lose $4,000. I actually wouldn't lose $4,000 because if it went down to $1 a share, at that point I'd be scalp trading it on my other account, taking profits, but finding out is it going bankrupt? Just like Virgin Orbit. When Virgin Orbit went bust, there were still opportunities if we'd have taken them to get out and make some money from it. Even though you're ultimately, overall you'll be down. But for me, I do believe in space. I do believe in SPCE and space in general. So I want to be in the space. I want to be in the space, but I'm in a position I could lose that money if I had to. But there are ways to make money out of it anyway. Let's as always, in the rain, the green grass will come back. I've got a song for that, haven't I? Yes, they'll all come to meet me in the shade of that old tree as they lay me neath the green grass of home. There you go. How about that? A bit of Tom Jones. Made me think about it there. Take care of each other. What a nice guy. The Better Den. The Better Den. How are you, The Better Den? Welcome to the channel. We're here to help support people, grow your YouTube channel, giveaways, you name it. Just entered into the cash giveaway. Absolutely. It's free for everyone. Here is the giveaway. It's free to enter. Every day we give you more chances to win. The more you enter, the more money we're going to give away. Right. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. And then get ready for my live behind the scenes videos live on my music channel. Here is the link. I haven't posted the event yet. There is the event. There is the channel, rather. The event isn't posted there yet. So look out for that today, and hopefully you'll join me. Now time for Day Trader of the Day. Thank you, Monstrous Channel. I appreciate it. If anybody wants to become a member and get all the perks and benefits of being a member, here is my YouTube membership link. You need a browser to do that. Let's have a look then. Someone said they entered the competition. Let's have a look. 7747. That's how many tickets we've given away. 7747. 77481. There we go. It's gone up. Fantastic. You can do as many things as you want. You can enter once and win the money. People have won it just by doing it once. Or you can increase your chances by turning all these things here to ticks, and you can benefit more. And there you go. All right. Okay. All right. Let's do Day Trader of the Day now. Wrap up the show. So first of all, as you all know, you click the live button, make sure that you're up to date. See if it's gray, you're behind the stream. Click live, and now you're red. And now if you click the cogs, you can now go, whoops, a daisy, not there, look, the cogs. And go playback speed, double speed. You will now be literally 10 seconds behind. I'll let you hear. See there, look, see, come up even more live. Okay, now we're going to do Day Trader of the Day competition. Can I sell my Virgin Galactic? Yes. Yet. Not quite. It's on a wash right now. No point doing that yet. But let's see if we can make some money on it today. Day Trader of the Day. Go to your main position. I am down 0.09. Hardly down at all. Down 0.09%. There you go. When the first person starts to post, we'll put a minute on the clock and we'll see who wins today. Thank you ever so much, everybody over on TikTok today. Did we get any more subscribers today? Let's have a look. We started the show with 3. No, we still got 3. If you click the star above my head, you'll become a subscriber. You get exclusive content. I reply to all your comments, put you on the screen, and support you in any way I can. Also, you are invited to join us on YouTube every day where we give away, we got cash prizes giving away, and we hope you'll enjoy that. All right. Thank you for all the follows today. All right, let's put the minute on the clock. Here we go. Stephen Lewandowski is down 1.02, so I'm beating Stephen so far. Up. Niels is up. There we go. I'm not winning today. Niels is up 0.56. Oh, Ben is up 1.23. Sid is down 0.04 from the Netherlands. Down 2.3. Up 0.78. Looks like our winner so far is Ben, up 1.23. Yes, it's Ben. Down 0.89, says George. Otter T's on holiday. Oh, I'm green now. I'm green. Maybe I should re-enter the competition. Virgin Galactic is going up. Now I can scalp trade my position, take a few bucks profit, and let's have a look. Go into my scalp position, put a bit of profit in the bank, tax-free. Not just yet. It's literally 14 cents. But every day I chip away. I can't determine what the stocks are going to do. All I can do is make profits from them. If the markets rally and go up mental, I can make mental money. If the markets go up by the smallest amount, I will take the profit rather than lose any money. Absolutely. Anyway, it looks like our winner today, no question about it, is Ben, who's up 1.23. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. We like that. Thank you, Ben, for that. Let's give him the sound effects. All right, there we go. Thank you, Ben. Appreciate it. That's it from me. So I hope everybody now has got my music channel. Look out for behind the scenes, how I produce this sound and visuals and cameras and everything else. If you want to build a YouTube channel, know how it's done. Or if you're an audiophile and you want to challenge me to producing a CD quality produced record live without any editing, first take, streamed live, join me, and hopefully you will experience that in a few minutes. I've given you all the link there where it will be. All right, that's it from me. Congratulations, Ben. Is this an addictive to stock? I don't know anything about that, I'm afraid. Congratulations, Ben. We'll see if it holds up. Thanks. Congratulations, Ben. George, congratulations. Nice when everyone's congratulating you, mate. There you go. Right, I'm going up now. If I can take some profit on Virgin Galactic. Oh, it's going up quickly. I don't think there'll be a huge amount of money to be made here. We'll try and make some money. See if we can make a couple of bucks on it. Get a free share. Why not? Right, that's it from me. Let me go over and roll the credits. See you back shortly with my live production. Hopefully you'll enjoy that. Let's roll the credits. Let's get rid of this. We got a new follow. We did not much to celebrate today on the... Oh, we're green now. There we go. We're green. Not much to share today. We've got a new follower on Twitch. Thank you very much indeed. We didn't get any super chats or any public subscribers today on YouTube. So, yeah, it's going up. Portfolio is moving. Virgin Galactic is moving. And we'll see if we can make a few bucks on it as it rises. That's it from me. Thank you ever so much, everybody on TikTok. Next time, join me on YouTube or click the star and you can be get a subscriber and get all the benefits of being a subscriber. But that's it from me. Thank you ever so much indeed. It's been another good day. I'll see you back shortly for my music. In the meantime, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and each other. See you back for my music and then the closing bell this afternoon. Bye-bye for now.